Artificial intelligence is shaping the future of humanity in almost every industry. It is already a major driver of emerging technologies such as big data, robotics, and IoT, and will continue to act as a technology innovator for the foreseeable future. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Before starting the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's get started. Artificial intelligence, AI, is undoubtedly a revolutionary field of computer science that is poised to become a major part of various emerging technologies such as big data, robotics, and IoT. It will continue to act as a technology innovator in the coming years. In just a few years, artificial intelligence has become a fantasy reality. Machines that help people with intelligence are not only in science fiction movies, but also in the real world. Nowadays, we live in a world of artificial intelligence, which was just a story for a few years. We use AI technology in our daily life unknowingly or knowingly, and somewhere it has become a part of our life. From Alexa and Siri to chatbots, everyone has AI in their daily routine. The development and evolution of this technology is happening at a rapid pace. However, it was not as smooth and easy as we thought. It took several years and a lot of hard work and contributions from different people to take AI to this stage. As such a revolutionary technology, artificial intelligence also deals with many controversies about its future and impact on human beings. It can be dangerous, but also a great opportunity. Artificial intelligence will be deployed to enhance both defensive and offensive cyber operations. In addition, new means of cyber attack will be invented to exploit specific vulnerabilities in AI technology. Artificial intelligence will soon play a vital role in the e-commerce sector. It will positively impact every aspect of the e-commerce industry, from user experience to product marketing and distribution. In the future, we can expect e-commerce with automated warehouse and inventory, shopper personalization, and the use of chatbots. Nowadays, employment is easy for job seekers and simple for employers thanks to the use of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is already used in the job search market with strict rules and algorithms that automatically reject an employee's resume if it does not meet the company's requirement. From marking written interviews to phone rounds, we hope the hiring process will be driven mostly by AI-enabled applications in the future. For job seekers, various AI apps help to create amazing resumes and find best jobs according to your skills like Resi, Job Seeker, etc. Apart from all these sectors, AI has a big future in manufacturing, finance and banking, entertainment, etc. That's all from today's video. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.